Good morning, it's Beach Cams Man. I've come to Dawlish Warren this morning. The sunrise is absolutely incredible. We still have another half hour till the sun peaks above. It's currently a surfer that's just got in there. It's about 3 or 4 degrees, I think. It's absolutely freezing. And yeah, he's just gone into the sea for a bit of a surf, so fair play to him. But let me show you how it looks. So this morning I'm just going to walk along Dawlish Warren Beach right up to the end to where the Estuary is and try and get some photos of the sun rising on Exmouth and Dawlish Warren. It's been years and years since I've been down this far, so quite looking forward to it. So it looks like the sun's just about to pop up now. So clear over there. Not seen a morning like this for ages. But take a look for yourselves. So it's been a few years since I walked this far down, and I was actually here filming the beach replenishment. It must have been 3 or 4 years ago. However, you can see the gaps where the groins came up to, and how much of the sand dunes have been washed away. I think that dredging all the sand that they took from out there at sea and they put it here, it's all gone back to where it's dredged from in the first place. So yeah, we had lots of meetings with the Environment Agency, just because we wanted to cover it, and yeah, we got a lot of footage of it, and you can see that in our Facebook videos. The machinery that they had here when they were doing it was incredible, but it's quite sad to see how much of the sand dunes have been washed away as a result. Well, I'm actually nearer to Exmouth than I am now Dawlish Warren. Quite a way along this beach. It's been a long time since I've come this far down. But still, the sun is absolutely beautiful. Just starting to make the white buildings of Exmouth glow. Have a look. Well, I've just realised I had the microphone on full tilt, so sorry it's been so distorted, but hopefully it's better now. But yeah, it's a beautiful day today. Got a day off? Why don't you come to Dawlish? Come and have a look at the Cygnets. Train journey is like 15 to 20 minutes from Exeter Central, from Newton Abbot. Really easy journey, and you get to see this view along the way of the sea. Got some great businesses in Dawlish. Got a video going out soon about the independent businesses of Dawlish. Another one going out called Beyond the Lawn, which focuses on the ones that you don't see by the lawn. So yeah, come and see us. So I'm just coming up to the estuary mouth now. Exmouth is literally a stone's throw away. However, if I want to get there, the ferry's not running at the minute. It doesn't run till April, I think. So it's over an hour car journey and about an hour on the train as well. Or if you can swim, No, I wouldn't swim in that. The tide is very strong. The current's very strong in there. Oh, there's Stuart Line Cruises boat. So here I am, right on the mouth of the estuary. The tide's going out. It's a pretty strong current. Exmouth, sorry, the River Ex estuary there. We've got Exmouth behind me now, and then the start of the Jurassic coastline along there. And a still incredible sunrise. What a morning. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video today. Hit the subscribe button there and ding the little bell, and then you get to see all the videos I do in the future. We have some live streams as well. Thanks for watching.